Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin reacted to resistance. The resistance area is definitely being respected, but it's not enough movement to really indicate that we are coming down here at the moment. It's not enough. There are a few levels that we need to be watching. It's good to see that we've had that reaction to the downside. Remember in yesterday's video, we talked about a potentially more extended A, B, C structure. I received a few questions about how I counted this correction, and here you have the micro count. So we basically have 3 waves up in an A wave, then we have a sideways correction, and then this C wave. To be honest, it might rather be a WXY, but it doesn't make any difference. So 3 waves in wave W, an X wave triangle, and then 3 waves up in a Y wave. But that is just an academic thing, that doesn't really matter for us. Certainly the point I tried to make yesterday was that this could be an extension of the correction, given the sideways range here after a 3-wave rally, that we get a 3-wave or 5-wave rally afterwards. And that happened deeper into resistance, and then we saw a strong rejection from the area between the 50% and the 61.8 FIB retracements. So between 28,820 and 29,100, Bitcoin saw a fairly strong rejection and has since then come down. We are in this forever range, really. So far, this move down is not clearly impulsive, but I'm happy to explore that idea if we go a little lower. At the moment, this could simply be an extension still. I mean, it's just a market. We need to be, we need to be prepared for this stuff. For example, it could be that this move up was all of this, as an ABC structure in itself was an A wave. We have 3 waves up. An A wave can be a 3-wave move. I'm just pointing it out because we didn't go very far into the resistance area, certainly deep enough to be valid, but if the move down is now not impulsive, this could still lead to another extension higher. Just want to prepare you for that. This will get far less likely with a break below 27,650, basically this last swing low here. Okay, but B waves can even overshoot to the downside, so just be prepared for that, and then the C wave rally later. Also, another level will give us more confidence that we are finally coming down in the 3rd wave, okay, if broken. So the next level below this 27,650 level is going to be, let me just add that, it's going to be the 78.6 retracement level of the rally. So here we talk about 27,270. This is going to be the next key level. It's a 78.6 retracement level. It's just that whenever that is broken, the continuation to the upside will get far less likely. So for me, this level, if broken, will definitely reduce massively the likelihood of the wide wave count, which is still an option, right? In the wide wave count, we could form 5 waves up. Nothing I'm primarily watching for, but below the 78.6 FIB level, this will definitely reduce in likelihood. It will already reduce in likelihood below 27,850. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the 27,260 level anyway. That's for me at the moment a key level that, if broken, will certainly add more downside pressure. But it's not a very reliable level. I mean, what we're essentially watching for is that we finally get a proper rejection here, which we did so far, and then we want to see downside confirmation. So I haven't got clearly 5 waves down, so maybe in the next video I can give you an additional micro count here. Certainly it at least looks good for trend continuation lower, but it's not enough yet. It's not enough. Interesting again that Bitcoin is holding really well. A lot of other coins are currently selling off strongly, very, very strongly, which is in line with expectations for most altcoins at the moment, okay? Someone asked me recently why Bitcoin is holding so well and the altcoins are not. Well, that's basically the general state. That's the general situation in most, 80% of the time that's the case, right? It's really only in bull runs where some altcoins outperform Bitcoin, but mostly cycle over cycle. In most market phases, Bitcoin is outperforming the altcoins, yeah? That is just a general rule, you could say. I mean, just look at most altcoin charts, compare them to Bitcoin, and you'll see that most of these altcoins are losing massively in value against Bitcoin. So yeah, this is the situation. Still watching for a 3rd wave to start. I gave you some levels to watch, but ultimately we can focus on lower as long as the intraday high isn't broken. That's at 29K. And above 29K, 29.5K remains the key level. Only above 29.5K, the yellow count will get less likely. Until then, I'm going to focus on further downside. But we're obviously here in a very, very difficult overall range. So yeah, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to the weekly member live streams. They are educational. We also cover some member coin requests. Also, you get access to Discord and Telegram, educational content. And as a gold member, you get access to additional short-term updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.